Hello, and welcome to this video on how to make money from ChatGPT. Today, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can use the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT to earn an income online. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that can generate human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. This technology has a lot of potential for making money online, and in this video, I'll show you how. First, let's start with the basics. ChatGPT can be used to generate content for websites, social media, and even virtual assistants. If you have a talent for writing and a passion for using technology, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This could be especially useful for bloggers, content marketers, and businesses that need to generate a lot of content in a short amount of time. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to answer questions. If you have a lot of expertise in a particular subject, you can use ChatGPT to answer questions on forums, in chatbots, and even on live streams. This can be a great way to earn an income from your knowledge and expertise. You can also use ChatGPT to generate chatbots for businesses. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for customer service and support, and ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that are smart, fast, and efficient. If you have experience in programming and chatbot development, you can offer your services to businesses and earn money for your work. In the world of blogging, there's always room for improvement, and the latest technological advances can help bloggers stay ahead of the curve. One such technology is OpenAI's ChatGPT, an innovative language model that can generate human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that bloggers can use to improve their content, save time, and increase their reach. Here's how. Number 1 is automated content creation. Blogging can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to generating new content. ChatGPT can help with that by automating the content creation process. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate headlines, summaries, and even complete blog posts. This can help you produce more content in less time, freeing up your time for other important tasks. Number 2 is improving content quality. ChatGPT is designed to generate high-quality content that is both informative and engaging. It can help you improve the quality of your existing content by generating new ideas, refining existing ideas, and adding new insights. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate summaries for long-form content or to add unique perspectives to existing topics. Number 3 is increasing reach. Blogging is all about reaching a wider audience, and ChatGPT can help you achieve that. By using ChatGPT to generate content that is both informative and shareable, you can increase your reach and attract new readers. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate social media posts, infographics, and other types of content that are easy to share and can help you reach a wider audience. Number 4 is answering questions. Blogging is not just about creating content, it's also about engaging with your readers. ChatGPT can help you do that by answering their questions and addressing their concerns. For example, you can use ChatGPT to answer questions in the comments section of your blog or on social media. This not only helps you build a relationship with your readers, but also improves the overall quality of your blog. Number 5 is virtual assistants. ChatGPT can also be used to create virtual assistants, which can help you manage your blog more efficiently. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create a virtual assistant that can answer frequently asked questions, schedule appointments, and perform other tasks. This can save you time and make your blog run more smoothly. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that bloggers can use to improve their content, save time, and increase their reach. Whether you're looking to automate the content creation process, improve content quality, increase reach, or provide virtual assistants, ChatGPT has you covered. So why not give it a try today and see how it can benefit your blog? Let's talk about programming help with ChatGPT. As a programmer, staying ahead of the curve is crucial to success. The latest technological advancements can provide you with new tools and solutions that can help you create better, more innovative applications. One such technology is OpenAI's ChatGPT, an advanced language model that can generate human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can bring numerous benefits to programmers. Here's how. ChatGPT can help you quickly prototype applications by generating code snippets and examples. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate code for simple tasks like database operations, API calls, and data processing. This can save you time and help you move faster through the development process. ChatGPT can also help you improve the quality of your code. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate code comments and explanations, making your code more readable and understandable to others. You can also use ChatGPT to generate code snippets that can be used to optimize your code and improve performance. Documentation is an important part of any software development project, and ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality documentation quickly and easily. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate API documentation, user manuals, and other types of documentation that can help your users understand your application better. ChatGPT can also be used to create virtual assistants that can help you manage your design projects more efficiently. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create a virtual assistant that can answer frequently asked questions, schedule appointments, and perform other tasks. This can save you time and make your design process run more smoothly. ChatGPT can also help improve collaboration between graphic designers. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate feedback and suggestions for improvements, which can help you work more effectively with your team and ensure that your designs are of the highest quality. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that graphic designers can use to improve their work and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're looking to automate design creation, improve design quality, generate design briefs, provide virtual assistants, or improve collaboration, ChatGPT has you covered. So why not give it a try today and see how it can benefit your design process? Finally, you can use ChatGPT to create chatbots for virtual events. With the rise of remote work, virtual events are becoming more and more popular, and ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can help manage and facilitate these events. Whether it's a virtual conference or a virtual trade show, you can use ChatGPT to create chatbots that will make the event run smoothly and efficiently. So there you have it. These are just a few of the ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money online. Whether you're a content creator, an expert, or a chatbot developer, ChatGPT offers a wealth of opportunities to earn an income online. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money from ChatGPT.